So we're back with another pre-cut kit. Today we're going to be doing the Tesla Model 3 hood. These pre-cut kits don't require any debadging, so you do have a pre-cut for the badge up front, and these do include wrapped edges, so you will be needing to line up all your corners and the front as best as you can. We've already went ahead and prepped our hood. Now we're going to go ahead and spray our slip solution. All right, now we're going to start peeling back our film. We're going to back roll this. So here we're going to line up one corner. Go ahead and tack this corner down so it doesn't slide around. Now we can go ahead and pull our film across the entire head of the car. So you want your film moving freely on the hood so we can line up our corners. Make sure you check your alignment, the template cutout, and then once you do so, go ahead and weed it out from the pattern. You're gonna pick up your passenger side corner up top, spray some tack solution, line up the corner as best as you can, just like that. Go ahead and tack that corner down. Go ahead and move over to the other side. Pick up the film, spray your tack solution, line this corner up, just like that. We'll lift this corner back up, check the placement, make sure all of our wrapped edges are lined up. So once we lock that down, we can focus on the placement where the badge is. Because of the pre-cut, go ahead and line up your film, squeegee down, and squeegee away from the emblem, just like that. So now our other V corners with the V cutout are gonna be your wrapped edges. So we're gonna stretch those just a little bit and then tack it down. Hold it there for a couple seconds. Lock it in. Then repeat the same process on the other side. So now we can go ahead and spray some more slip solution under the film. So we're working out most of the slip solution. We're trying to disperse of the fingers and all the tension as even as possible. So if you bunch up the film like this, you would want to pull it in the opposite direction, like that, and then go ahead and squeegee down dead center. From bottom to top. Squeegee all of the slip solution out. Make sure you leave no excess moisture behind. Now you can grab your attack solution. Squeegee all that tack out. Focus on the bottom now. Make sure we get all those corners lined up. We're gonna work over from the other half down. So once again, making sure we get as much of that slip out as we can right now. Getting rid of that tension as even as possible. Just like that. We're gonna start spraying some tack solution under the film around the edges. Hold that down for a second. Now we're gonna work our way again, just like the other side, from the bottom to the top. So if you find yourself with these fingers, go ahead and just lift up the film. Spray some tack solution in there. Just squeegee down and roll over. Just like that. And at this point, you've pretty much completed the wet install part of the hood. Go ahead and double check all your edges, make sure everything's lined up. Look at it from different angles, checking to see if you have any excess moisture under the film still that you need to get rid of. Especially on white cars, it's a lot harder to see. But if you don't have any of that, then just, at this point, you're pretty much ready to just prop the hood up and let the edges dry, and then we'll come back and seal it up with the heat gun. But this concludes the wet install part for the Model 3 hood. So the hood has wrapped edges about 3 inches away from the corner. So you have like a V-cut style. So we're gonna go ahead and start sealing these edges. So you just want to go ahead and just wrap over every single edge that's exposed, just like that. So we're gonna start heating up the film. Start rolling that film over little by little. Just like that. So you're gonna apply this same process around the entire edge of the hood with any of your wrapped edges. Go over your headlights, your fenders, your hood, everything that you installed. Go over it, seal the edges. If you need to do any trimming, then do so. But with these kits, there should not be any trimming. But yeah, make sure all your edges at the end where we lined up at the beginning, make sure those are sealed as well to prevent any lifting. Maybe you pass it with a towel on accident. Sealing that edge will help you avoid that. But at this point, you've pretty much completed the install from beginning to end. And that concludes the install for the Model 3 pre-cut kit by Vicrez.